Hello everyone, welcome back to Pet Labs. In this video we are going to check out the top 3 best robot vacuum for pet hairs. Okay, so let's get started with the list. Starting at number 3, we have the ILIFE 4S Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Is there a distinction between a regular 12-month guarantee and a fear-lose 12-month assurance? You'll find out for yourself if you decide to add this ILIFE 4S on your cleansing arsenal. This robot vacuum may seem like its competitors, however, in case you use runtime Azure standards for making your choice, you'll want to know that the A4S is armed with a battery that runs for as much as 140 minutes earlier than it returns to its docking station. That's longer than Roomba claims by 20 minutes. Whether you opt to program the ILIFE so it runs on a preset timetable or you like to wing it. This equipment's clever sensor device is engineered to avoid collisions, backing away from fixtures' legs, walls and muddle while snapping up dirt along its direction. The manufacturer's ads say that this unit received fall-off stairs, so if you've had this difficulty in the beyond and stay in a multi-level home, this perk by myself should win your prefer. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on at number 2, we have the NEATO BOTVAC Wi-Fi enabled robot vacuum. There's continually one child in the elegance who sticks out from the group, and in relation to these days' generation of robotic vacuums, this honor belongs to the NEATO BOTVAC. It's got a completely unique cupboard shape, one flat area in place of the same old circle, so it even looks specific than competition. You'll pay extra for this robotic equipment, but in return, you get plenty of era. Download the NEATO app and reap overall domination over this system because it goes about its tasks via pre-programmed or manual instructions. You make the decision, the NEATO will converse with you, turning in repute reviews and notifications, so if the unit desires attention, has gone off the reservation, or it wishes it's refused, been wiped clean out, you'll be the first to realize about it. And finally at number 1, we have the robot vacuum for pet hairs ECOVACS DEEBOT N79 Robotic Vacuum Cleaner. At first glance, the DEEBOT resembles every robot vacuum within the marketplace, but appearances can be deceiving. First off, the excellent print advises purchasers that this appliance is designed for low-pile carpet and tough floors, so if your own home is lavished with carpet so thick, carrying excessive heels can be elaborate, you need to probably take a skip in this product. But permits say your flooring meet the aforementioned criteria of being both carpet unfastened or the rugs adorning your rooms are of the low pile type. You're going to be very happy with this tried and examined robot vacuum, as it's Wi-Fi enabled. That technique of far-flung manage allows you to do all the difficult artwork associated with this self-propelled vacuum without getting off the sofa. And due to the truth it is able to be interfaced along with your phone through the correct app, you get to ultimate manage from a variety of places. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question about this robot vacuum for pet hairs, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.